So we are making หมูปิ้ง the ultimate street food. So we're gonna start with garlic, cilantro roots, all the peppercorns, pound that into a very, very fine paste. I'm gonna add my sugar, pound it until the sugar is dissolved. Our oyster sauce, black soy sauce, a little bit of oil, coconut milk, and also some water. So just give it a good stir. So the cut of pork that I prefer for this is pork collar butt. Pour our marinade all over it. Let it marinate in the fridge overnight. We're going to add a little bit of cornstarch. Ooh, it's cold. We're gonna skewer. Lay it flat. I'm just gonna keep going.